Hello, this is Al with Solution Gem. Today we're going to show you how to replace the two green hooks out of your Zebra CP450 printer. It also works with the GK420 series and the GX420 series printers because they're identical. The first thing we need to do is we need to remove 6 Phillips screws out of these places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one additional one down here that keeps the lens in the printer. After we do that, we're going to close the printer, move this out of the way a little bit, and as you can see right here, here is the hook that we're going to be replacing. These hooks, they break very easily for some reason, so the only thing we need to do is just pull them up. Okay, first we need to do that, then pull it out of the way. 1, and 2. Careful, you keep the springs. You see, here it is, one piece. And then get the replacement one, put it the same exact way. Make sure the springs go into place. Snap it in place. Here's one. And 2. Okay. Close the printer. Put the lens in place. Now it's working correctly. So now we just need to put the screws back in. And you're ready to go. If you have any questions, you can contact us at solutionsgem.com. Thank you. Have a great day.